Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Today we'll be looking at how we can access theme color values with Sass. So here we have defined a set of color variables. We are going to make a map for our variables and we'll be calling it as theme colors. And to do that, all we need to do is write theme colors. And inside this, we will be taking these primary, secondary, and support as the variables. So we'll have primary, and for primary we'll have the color primary assigned over here. So this is basically a key value pair that we are trying to create. Then we'll have secondary, and for this we'll have color secondary assigned, and lastly we'll have support. So here we'll say support, and then we'll use the color support over here. So we have now created our map. Save this. Now once we have defined our map, we'll create a function. Let's call that function a theme color. So in Sass, you can define a function like @, then the function keyword, and then the name of the function. So here we'll say theme color, and this is going to take a parameter. Now that parameter is the key for the map. So key over here you can see is primary, secondary, and support as far as this map is concerned. So we are passing that key over here, and inside this what we'll do is we'll be returning. So we'll say return. What exactly we'll be returning? We'll make use of map get. This is a built-in function, so you can see that it's expecting two things from you, the map and the key. So map obviously we have defined over here as theme colors, so we'll provide that, and the key obviously we are passing it as a parameter over here, so we'll say key over here. So now that we have returned that, the next thing that we need to do is, if you notice, we have created this theme.scss file. Now this theme.scss file basically makes use of the theme color function that we have defined. So different color combinations that we have in our style.css, color primary, secondary, and support, they are being used over here in theme.scss. So what we need to do is, when we are calling our import theme over here, you'll notice that the colors are accordingly coming up. We can go back and change this, let's say indigo over here, and if I have to go deep pink, now you can see the moment we change those three variables, the whole theme applied those colors properly. And that was so easy to do because we have now made use of this function, which is internally using this theme color map, and using that we are able to assign individual color elements in our page.